Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a genuine subscriber, you're most definitely welcome. So Musa Khawula was right all this time about Mihlali. He did a video and we all laughed about it, and now it's now making sense. I want you to listen to the video and then we compare it to the statements that Leroy released.
But then let me tell you what we also learned. We learned that she's also used to like doing this and breaking stuff at Leroy's office, because obviously she stealth Leroy from MJ, so there will always be that insecurity and all of that stuff. So yeah, that's how the thing happened. And then me and my friend left, went and got us a drink, and yeah, but my word. But then me and my friend, we was just wondering, like, is she probably not also like beating Leroy some other days and all of that stuff? Because how dare you want to throw boiling water and want to throw all of these vases and fucking glasses and things on the floor, and Leroy's staff is also tired of always cleaning the glasses that Mihlali throws all the time in that fucking office. Anyway, bitch.
One thing about Musa Khawula is not a liar. He might say things laughing or joking, but you'll be telling the truth. So let's listen to what Leroy said in his statement. He said, I, Dumezwan Leroy Sidambe, would like to address recent allegations that have surfaced on 4 August 2024 regarding gender-based violence against my partner Mihlali Damas. I'm going to put it at the end of the video. I've always upheld the values of respect, equality in our relationship and interaction. It is disheartening to see how quickly misinformation and manipulation can spread, and how easily someone's character can be called into question without a thorough understanding of facts. As someone who has experienced the disturbing and hateful impact of these issues personally, I empathize deeply with victims of gender-based violence. On 4 August 2024, Mihlali Damas attempted to contact me by placing a total of 75 calls, of which I were not I were not attended to, as I had fallen asleep. Mihlali then arrived at my residence and requested that my son opened for her so she could see me. Upon arriving at my residence, my son recollects she headed to the kitchen to equip herself with a knife in an attempt to stabbing me, as she allegedly was shown evidence of me being unfaithful. Mihlali Damas then came to my bedroom as I was asleep to confront me for being unfaithful and attempted to stab, of which I then protected myself by pushing her away from the, resulting her in sustaining her injuries as she made contact with the wall. My son then came to my rescue after hearing me shouting and pleading for Mihlali not to kill me. With this being said, I would like to inform you that Mihlali has a long history of physical assaulting me and damaging my property, especially where she is under the influence of substances I cannot name. It is important to note that there is a horror of witnesses, my children and bystanders, who can attest to me not ever laying a hand on her during or after any altercation. Guys, you can finish the whole statement. I'm going to put it at the end of the video, but basically he's saying that there were 17 missed calls and she uses substances, and he's saying he cannot mention the name of the substance, and he is willing to cooperate with police or with anyone. Now we have seen evidence there's an evidence, and Mihlali herself, she just she came with a statement saying there are two sides to every story. Then there's the narcissist version of events, which means to have nothing to do with the original story. That's what she just said. So we don't know who to believe from this two, because indeed there's two sides of the story, and we have evidence he wrote a proper statement, but Mihlali, she just posted their pictures and she didn't mention whatever happened. Now we know whatever happened. She should come and clear the air and say, I didn't have a knife, or I didn't want to stab him and all that. At this moment, I think Leroy's ex-wife is sipping on some champagne with all this drama, because she warned us, she warned her that this man. So we have screenshots and evidence from Leroy. Now we are waiting from this socialite of ours, from this influencer of ours, how she's going to come out and provide evidence. Relationship starts to issue statements, know that that relationship is dead, it's done. Wherever they are, I hope they will sort out things and never ever get back together again. We don't want their drama anymore, because this is it. I don't know what you guys think about this whole situations, but I think when Musa says something, we should learn to we should learn to actually take his word for what he says.